Here I will show you how to correctly use your hashtag and your @symbols to tag people, please. They are mainly used to tag people, and the use of bot is to refer to someone so that the social media should send your post correctly to where it is. Let's start, please. So if you want to use your hashtag, actually all you have to do is, as you could see, I've already written my post. This is everything. I've already written my article, I should say, not post actually. You should by now know how to write an article actually on LinkedIn. If you don't know, please then comment in the comment section below. Tell me that you don't know. So let's start. Just type hash, and then we have two hashtags. One is for my 3mtt. Yes, my 3mtt. Yes, and with the second hashtag that we have is for 3mtt weekly reflection. These are the two hashtags that we use. And now if you are ready to use your tag, that is, you want to tag personal individual with personal account, I hope it is understood. So type it first. You will see after you have typed the tag here, the @symbol here, what happens? Then a list pop up. Yes, so this list that pops up here at the bottom, you will look for the name and select the name from that list. From this list, please, you will look for the name and select the name from this place of the person you will tag. I will show you how to do it practically. Now the first person that we will tag is 3mtt, so I'll write 3mtt. Automatically, what pops up? Automatically we have 3mtt Ogun State, we have 3mtt Nigeria, right? So you select 3mtt Nigeria. I hope it's clear. Select it, and after you had selected it, what happens? You could see it is highlighted in blue. As you could see, it is highlighted in what? Blue. And to tell you something, you cannot use article on your phone until and unless you go to this place. And when you go to that place, if you are using Google Chrome, then after it opens, you have to tick it. As you can see now, it is in light blue. It is ticked. You have to tick what? Desktop site. So desktop are the only format you can use article, or you can write article. I hope it is clear. Okay, so let's go back to our tagging of individual people with different accounts. As you can see, when I wrote the hash, the what happened? The list pops up again. As you can see, the list pops up again, this list. So you would type the second account that you want. It is actually referring to account, people with account on LinkedIn. The second account is Nitda, so type Nitda, and then as you could see, the name Nitda Nigeria had popped up because they have an account with LinkedIn, and this is it. I hope it is clear. So you select Nitda Nigeria, and when you select it, it will refer to that account. Okay, so to make sure that you had tagged people correctly, you will not be seeing any hash, you will not be seeing any @symbol. For all of you that here, I am seeing something like @3mtt Nigeria. That is wrong, please. Okay, for all of you that I am seeing @Nitda Nigeria, that is wrong, please. Okay, why? Because what made it wrong is because the @symbol is showing. You can see that is the wrong way to tag, please. As you can see in the above, there is no @symbol for these two. There is no @symbol here. There is no @symbol here. Okay, let's tag the next account that we want. So wait for the list to pop up, please, and please wait for the list to pop up. Which list am I referring to? This list on there. I hope it is clear. Wait for that list to pop up. Okay, all right. So after the list have popped up, then write the name of the account you want. IHS TOA. IHS TOA. Okay, so when the list had pop up, IHS TOA. Yes, so wait for the list to pop up. That is your tax. Your tax is to wait for the list to pop up. As you can see, there's no IHS here. From the list, it is not referring to anything. Like, okay, we have IHS TOA here. As you can see from the list, here is IHS TOA. Okay, so select that. So what is the difference? When you look clearly, you will see there's no any @ symbol before the IHS. We have no @ symbol, or like here we have that symbol, or like here we had that symbol. Okay, so you can ask me, will the hash symbol also not be there? No, the hash symbol is different. Okay, like let me show you example. Like now, if I want to write, if I use the hash symbol, I will be waiting and no list will pop up. I will be waiting and no list will pop up. You see, that is the difference. That is the difference. And the third, the last tag that I will do, I will use that of my ALC, my applied learning cluster. I will wait for the list to pop up. Now that the list had popped up here, we have the list here. Then all I will do now is I'll write the name of the account of my company, Vostek. Yes, and as you can see, here's the name of my company. I hope it is clear. Then I'll click it. So now it is highlighted. So this is how to tag, please, on LinkedIn. I hope it is clear. Okay, so wish you all the best. I'll create video on how to tag people correctly on Twitter, on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, on the other platform, that Medium. Please and please, we only have 2 platforms that we use currently for our article writing. No one is the LinkedIn platform, which you can access it only via your website. I hope it is clear. One is our LinkedIn. You can access it only, because if you use the application, there is no way you can change it to a desktop site. Okay, so make sure when you are using it, you are in your website. Okay, don't use the application, because I have the application here, but I did not use the application. I have the application here, but I did not use the application. The second platform that we use for writing article according to 3MTT is called Medium. Okay, so I'll do a video on how to